Page 12, there's music in the air. It's an American song. They talk about American songs, A-Team. Pretty simple. The point is, this is not piano music. This is vocal music. This is just a nice arrangement, simple arrangement. So learn it the way it's written first, and then if you want to improvise and make up your own accompaniment to the song, go right ahead. But let's talk about learning it the way it's written first. I'm going to start with the right hand. This is in the key of E flat major. It's got 3 flats. Yay, team. Starting out here. Now I do a 1-5 and then a 4 because it's easier for me. I mean, you can do a 1-4 if you want. It's just not necessary. I can do a 1-5, 4. And that's a little awkward. You don't have to do it that way. You can go here, 5, 4, 3, 2, but I would recommend you maybe 4th finger on the A flat. So how you finger those G's is up to you, which fingers you use, but try and do a 4th finger on the A flat. And then again, the next measure on the F's, maybe a 3-1, 3-1. But keep in mind the rhythm. In the first full measure, those are quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. But in the 2 measures later, those are 8th notes. 1 and 2 and. And then the second line's the same thing, and then go down to the 3rd line. We have here, connect it. It's all legato, and their fingering is fine. Don't want to put a thumb on that black key, you have to do a 3-2 and then a 5-4-2, and then going on last line. And I recommend for the 8th notes 5-4. Like so, or 3-2-4. It's up to you. Left hand's just chords pretty much. 5-2. Here, it's up to you pretty much how you're fingering, but their fingering is fine. Watch the 3rd line because they got treble clefs in here. It means the left hand's going to cross over. Don't you just love it? It's here, and then cross over to here, and then down here, and then up here. Last line, same thing. Here, treble clef up here, and then down here, and then up here, and then down here. It's like it don't know where it wants to go. It's not bad. And then you kind of put it all together. Dynamic wise, it's up to you. It's a medium soft, but you can get a little louder and softer as you feel the music. It's like I bring out that A flat a little more. I like to pedal it with the phrases. I follow the words for the phrases. Where are the sentences, or the clauses, I should say. So at the beginning, we have a little problem at the beginning because you're starting with a B flat and here, and we want to connect that. But the left hand needs that key. It's playing a B flat. That means you got to get off it early. Well, if I get off it early, I can't connect it. So I recommend pedaling right immediately when you on that pickup beat, pedal that B flat, and then legato pedal. You can change it after you play the next notes, but it connects it, so I can get off it. I don't recommend pedaling the first 2 beats in the second full measure here. I don't pedal that, and then you can pedal this if you want. Go ahead and legato pedal it through it. I know in the phrasing they're marking different phrasing. I disagree with it because when you read the words, it reads nicely if you just connect it all. Now at the end of in the last measure, you can lift the pedal up with the left hand. So the B flat is by itself, but you got to pedal the B flat because you need the pedal to connect the sound because the left hand needs that key. It's like it was at the beginning. I don't pedal the last 2 beats of that third measure here. To me, that I don't want to blur them. You get the same thing in the first line, but it's up to you. You pedal if you want, but I don't pedal them. And then lift the pedal and the hands up at the same time at the end of the line, and then we go on. And this is a legato pedal through here. Melodies in the right hand. Bring out the right hand. And at the end of the line, lift the pedal in the hand so we get a little silence before we go on. And then that's really pretty. As far as how fast it goes, if you're going to sing it, how fast do you think you would sing it? Moderato is a moderate speed, which means not a lot to me, really. It's just in the middle somewhere. It's a range, so it's up to you.